If you're watching our video, you're likely curious about investing your money in multifamily buildings and want to understand the associated benefits and risks. I'm not able to get into real depth in this video, but in the next 3 minutes, I hope to give you enough information so that you can determine if you have enough interest in learning more. Before I get started, I need to get some legal stuff out of the way, so bear with me for about 30 seconds. The nature of this investment I'm going to briefly discuss requires that you be an accredited investor. Briefly put, it means you have to be consistently earning over $200,000 per year, or $300,000 when combined with your spouse. You should also have a combined net worth exceeding $1 million, not counting your home residence. If that does not apply to you, then we would have to take it very slow, meet with you, and go over your possibilities to invest. Okay, let's talk briefly as to why investing in multifamily buildings has been so profitable for so many in many different kinds of markets while providing some of the lowest risk. I'll also provide you a bit of background on the James Management Group and why we're uniquely qualified to help you wisely invest in this sector, and some of the qualifications we look for in an investor to determine if we're a good fit. Let's start by talking about real estate as an investment vehicle. One of the major benefits of investing in real estate is that it's a relatively steady moving marketplace. When contrasted against stocks, bonds, commodities, and other similar investments which can move in an instant, real estate usually takes months and often years to make their gains. And if you know what to look for, it's often possible to predict these cycles well out in advance to maximize your returns and minimize your risk. As for multifamily investing in specific, apartment investing can offer the trifecta of investment benefits. 1, an increase in asset value through property improvements and appreciation. 2, cash flow through steady day-to-day operations. And 3rd, tax breaks through depreciation and interest expenses that only residential real estate enjoys. At James Management Group, we're definitely qualified to help you in all 3 of these areas. We take the time to identify shifts in capital cash flows that occur from primary markets into their nearby secondary markets. We further enhance our opportunity for success by identifying buildings called value-added assets, so that through proper capital rehab and turning over of the tenant base, extra value is created. In that way, not only will we ideally ride the wave of appreciation we predict the secondary market will experience, we also improve the value through strategic upgrades to the asset, which in turn reduces our risk. This also allows us to raise the rents, thus yielding a better cash flow, and of course, because it's residential investment real estate, we have the added benefit of being able to claim depreciation and interest, minimizing taxable income from your increased cash flow. We have done this with many other successful investors and have the track record to show for it. Lastly, it's important that you know that we believe strongly in transparency and clear communication. If we wind up working together, we'll tell you the good news and the bad because we want you fully informed. Because informed partners can make better business decisions. And since we're personally invested right alongside of you, we have a vested interest in the decisions that are made. So let me tell you what we're looking for in our investment partners. We're looking for qualified investors who are looking for a cash flow investment, who are willing and able to hold the investment for a minimum of 3 and a maximum of 7 to 10 years, and that have enough income so they may take advantage of the tax benefits, and who have enough liquidity that they can invest about 20 to 25% of the overall property value into an investment asset. Our hope is that you'd like to learn more about what we do and our qualifications. If so, then fill in the form on this page and download our special report. You can also just give us a call. We look forward to educating you further about investing in multifamily units, and I thank you for your time.